Hey guys! Okay, so I'm hoping that the sun isn't too crazy, but I just got a shipment from Josh's Frogs. I'm really excited because I have seen all of my favorite YouTubers order from Josh's Frogs, and I have yet to see one bad review. So, without further ado, let's just hop on into it. I'm not sure if my my packing list is in here. I'm hoping it is because we all know how knowledgeable I am on plant names. I, for the most part, can remember what I got, but I'm hoping that I can read off the names to you. Okay, for starters, packaged pretty nicely. Oh, packing list. Thank you from Josh's Frogs, little thank you note. Okay, I will say this. All of my plants that I ordered are peperomias, except for one. Let's just get into it. Each plant is individually packaged. I believe they come in like 2-inch or 4-inch pots. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they do. Okay, I'm gonna take them all out of the box and then open them. They're so neatly packaged. 6. Let's start with this first one. I'm probably still not gonna remember what the names are. Oh, you know, someday I will know my stuff. Look at how cute this is. Okay, this is a, let's see if I remember. I think this is the Scandens. I'll list it on the screen here. But this is a peperomia something, and I'll put it on the screen here. Look at how pretty. So pretty. I'm loving it. Okay, one down. I don't know what this one is. Oh, look at that one. Okay, this one I think, I think that this one is the BB. I'm probably gonna get all these wrong, but this is a super healthy plant too. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Look at all those little babies down there. Yes, I think that these are pretty easy to propagate too, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, numero dos. Okay, this is another peperomia. At least I know that much, right? Wait, this look, oh yeah, that's right. Okay. This one I think is the, I'm not even gonna try. I'll put it on the screen. Look at these leaves though. Oh my gosh. These are so much bigger than I expected them to be actually. Oh, this one is a little fatality here, guys. But I could probably propagate that. No! I'm gonna try to propagate you. Look at how pretty. Oh, I'm excited. Okay. Mess. Let me see if I could. God, I'm terrible. Okay, I know what this one is. These are the other peperomias. Okay, let's open this. Oh, it's so pretty. Gosh, these are so healthy and they're really decent size. These are really good sized. Peperomia something or other. I'm gonna put it on the screen. Okay, so cute. Oh, this almost looks like a lipstick plant, but it's not. Last one. Look, guys, I joined the Cebu Blue Club. This is a Epiprimum pinnatum. Epiprimum pinnatum Cebu Blue. Look at how pretty these leaves are. I'm sorry about the light, guys. It's really bright, but this is so pretty and it's already trailing. I'm so excited. Josh's Frogs, you guys rock. I'm so excited I finally ordered from you guys. I cannot wait to get these potted up. And yeah. And of course my phone died, so I'll say goodbye this way as I'm cleaning up my mess. Thanks so much guys for joining me today. If you like videos like these unboxings, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. And I will see you guys in my next one.